Welcome to Holiday Shelter Channel. Today we're exploring live oak treehouse at HoneyTree Farm, United States. The live oak is a stilted luxury cabin built in a cluster of oaks on the Palo Alto Creek. Relax in the hammock. Snuggle up in the nook by the big round window for some reading or writing. End your day with a long soak in the private candle-lit outdoor bathtub with an open view of nature. Retire upstairs to the king bed under the lacy mosquito netting and twinkle lights. The 450 square foot live oak treehouse is marked by an old growth live oak tree that's incorporated as part of the design. The live oak treehouse is cozy and bright and surrounded by nature. In the living space is a leather love seat, a coffee table, and a cowhide rug. All under the big glass-paneled overhead door that slides up to allow direct access to the large deck. The book nook is a magical hangout spot with a twin mattress daybed covered in sheepskins and throw pillows under a big round window looking out into the branches. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. Stay tuned.